Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best digital wall clocks that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for a functional timepiece or something to enhance your decor, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 4 is the Yseal 9-inch digital wall clock, a versatile choice with a ton of features packed into a compact design. This clock offers 8 RGB color modes for its display, including pure colors and dynamic color-changing options, making it not just functional, but visually engaging. It also comes with night lighting on the back, which provides ambient lighting while ensuring you can read the time in the dark. A standout feature here is its dual alarm system, perfect for setting multiple wake-up times or reminders throughout the day. Performance-wise, this clock is designed to simplify your life. It features auto DST adjustment and auto brightness settings, ensuring the display adapts to your environment without manual tweaking. The Bluetooth time synchronization is particularly impressive, allowing the clock to automatically calibrate its time settings through your smartphone, ideal for those who want a no-fuss setup. The dimmer and snooze options add to its practicality, while its lightweight plastic frame ensures durability without compromising portability. However, the Yseal 9-inch clock does have the few drawbacks. It requires a constant power supply and doesn't include batteries for backup, which could be inconvenient during power outages. Additionally, while the RGB colors are fun and customizable, they may not appeal to those looking for a more traditional aesthetic. Overall, this clock is great for tech-savvy users and anyone looking for a modern, feature-rich timepiece that fits seamlessly into a living room or bedroom. Number 3, we have the JAWL 12-inch large digital wall clock. This clock is a fantastic option for those who need a larger-than-average display, with its 12-inch screen and bold LED numbers. It features up to 8 color options, including RGB and pure colors, making it both functional and decorative. The clock is particularly user-friendly for seniors, thanks to its large digits and auto DST adjustment that simplifies seasonal time changes. It also includes a modern nightlight feature that provides a warm, ambient glow, making it ideal for bedrooms and living rooms. The design is minimalist yet modern, with a sleek black finish and acrylic construction that feels sturdy and durable. The clock is powered by a 5V adapter and corded electric, ensuring consistent operation. Another thoughtful addition is the memory battery, which allows the clock to retain settings even during power outages. However, keep in mind that it does not operate on batteries alone. The mounting options are versatile, allowing you to use it on a tabletop or mount it on a wall. While the JAWL 12-inch clock offers exceptional readability and functionality, its reliance on a power cord might limit placement options for some users. Additionally, the RGB color options may not appeal to those seeking a classic look. Nonetheless, this clock excels as a gift for seniors or anyone in need of a visually striking, easy-to-use timepiece suitable for various settings. Taking the runner-up spot is the JAWL 16-inch large digital wall mount clock. This clock is all about size and functionality, featuring a massive 16-inch display with bold LED numbers that are easy to read from across the room. It offers up to 8 RGB color options, making it both a practical timepiece and a decorative element for your space. Unique to this model is the countdown timer function, which is perfect for workouts, cooking, or classroom activities. It also includes an alarm and temperature display, adding more utility to an already feature-rich clock. The design is sleek and modern, with a durable black frame made of acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, ABS. It offers both wall-mounted and tabletop placement options, giving you flexibility in how you use it. The auto DST adjustment and light sensor for brightness make it convenient for year-round use. And the 11.5-foot power cable ensures you can position it anywhere in your room. The memory battery retains settings during power outages, although the clock itself requires constant power supply to operate. While the JAWL 16-inch clock is a powerhouse of features, its larger size may not fit well in smaller spaces or minimalist decor setups. Additionally, its reliance on RGB colors might not appeal to users seeking a subdued look. That said, this clock is perfect for families, classrooms, or anyone who values functionality and bold design in their timekeeping. Finally, at number 1, we have the Lacrosse Technology Wall/Table Clock, a classic and reliable choice for those who value simplicity and functionality. This clock features an elegant silver and black frame with a compact display that measures 6.85 inches in height and 8.66 inches in width. Unlike the other clocks on this list, this model runs entirely on batteries, making it portable and easy to place anywhere without worrying about power cords. It also includes 12 24-hour time selection and an indoor temperature monitor, which is displayed in both Fahrenheit and Celsius. The build quality is solid, with a lightweight yet durable plastic frame. The clock is equipped with a basic time alarm and snooze functionality, making it suitable for use in bedrooms, offices, or kitchens. The calendar display, month, date, and weekday, is a practical touch for those who like to stay organized. While it lacks RGB lighting or fancy features, its straightforward design appeals to those seeking a minimalist and dependable clock. On the downside, the Lacrosse clock's smaller size might make it harder to read from a distance compared to larger models. Additionally, it does not include advanced features like auto DST or brightness adjustment. However, at an affordable price of $21, this clock offers excellent value for those who want a no-frills, battery-powered option. It's ideal for anyone looking for a reliable and portable digital wall clock without breaking the bank. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.